Hello everybody, welcome to week 3. This is CEIS114, our Introduction to Digital Devices, and I'm Professor Halsey. I'm going to open up our course, jump into modules, and it helps to collapse each module as you go. You can click the little arrow here to collapse it, then you don't have as far to scroll each week. Going to do a deeper dive into number systems. Don't forget those videos I posted last week that walk you through number conversions. And we're looking at Boolean algebra and how those rules work. And you'll see these in programming as well as logic circuits. So looking into logic circuits in lesson 3 along with sequential circuits that get us into things that work on a clock pace. Sound familiar? That's what most microprocessors do. They're working at a certain clock rate. So that's a very important step for digital circuits, and we'll see that here in lesson 3. So jump in, and this week in our project we add our 3 LEDs to the breadboard and hook them up to the ESP32 chip. So it'll be fun doing that this week. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to jump into one of the huddle sessions. Mine is on Wednesdays. I would love to see you there. Thank you and have a great week 3.